In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down in Softr. By the end, you'll have a clean, user-friendly drop-down field inside your form that's ready to collect consistent responses. First, head into your Softr app and open the page where you want the form to appear. If you already have a form on that page, click to edit that form block. If you don't, add a form block to the page to create a new form. This gives you the container where your drop-down field will live. Take a moment to confirm the form is placed where users will actually see it, like near a sign-up area, or at the end of a page section where it makes sense contextually. Next, open the form's settings so you can add a new field. When you create this field, make sure to choose drop-down as the field type. This tells Softr to render a select style input instead of a text box. Give the field a clear label so users immediately understand what they're choosing, like select your plan or choose a category. You can also add helper text if needed to clarify the purpose of the drop-down. Now it's time to define the choices. Under Options, enter the values you want users to pick from. Separate each option clearly, for example, Option A, Option B, Option C. Keep your list short and unambiguous so users don't have to guess. Use consistent capitalization and wording, and put the most common choice near the top to speed up selection. If there's a default choice you want pre-selected, set it here. Otherwise, consider adding a neutral prompt like "Please choose," so users know they need to make a selection. Before you wrap up, review the field behavior. If the selection is mandatory, mark the field as required so users can't submit without choosing an option. Double-check the label and options for typos, and verify that the drop-down appears exactly where it should within the form layout. When everything looks good, save your changes and publish the page. Publishing ensures the updates are live on the user-facing form, not just visible in the editor. Open the live page, click the drop-down, and confirm the options display as expected. If anything needs adjusting, return to the form settings, edit the options or label, save again, and republish. That's it. You've added a functional drop-down to your Softr form. With clear labels and concise choices, your form will be easier to complete, and your data will be more consistent.